Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are going good. Without further ado, let's have a talk regarding Jung So-Min's lifestyle and short biography. Jung So-Min is a South Korean actress and model. Jung first attracted attention when she made her acting debut in 2010 with a supporting role in the television series Bad Guy. So let's know in details about Jung So-Min's lifestyle and biography. Her real name is Kim Yoon-ji and her nickname is Jung. She is an actress, model. Her ethnicity is Asian. Her zodiac sign is Pisces. Jang So-min is now 31 years old, as in 2020. Her birth date is March 16, 1989. She was born in Seoul, South Korea. She is a Korean by nationality. Jang So-min's physical statistics. Jung So-min's height 5 feet 5 inch, weight 45 kg, eye color black, hair color brown. Jung So-min's net worth as in 2020 is $6 million approximately. Next topic, Jung So-min's education. Jung So-min went to the School of Performing Arts Seoul, Gyeongsang Arts High School, Korea National University of Arts. Educational qualification graduate. Next topic, Jung So-min's family. Her marital status is unmarried. Jung So-min's boyfriend Lee Joon. Jung So-min's favorite things. Favorite color white. Favorite number 15. Favorite sports basketball. Favorite singer Park Jin-young. Moving on to Jung So-min's fan followers. Jung So-min has 309k subscribers in YouTube vs 1.5 million followers in Instagram. Next, Jung So-min's movies and TV shows. Daddy You, Daughter Me, Alice, Boy from Wonderland, Homie Fatal, Golden Slumber, Worst Friends, Because This Is My First Life, Playful Kiss, My Father is Strange, The Smile Has Left Your Eyes, So Mechanic, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, Big Man, Mellow is My Nature. Thanks for watching this video. Stay with our channel. Make sure subscribe our channel. We will be back with another video. Thank you.